Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. Tech Fox here and welcome to another video. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install an app or software on your macOS. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. Your one subscription motivates me a lot. Alright, so there are two ways to install an app or a software on your macOS. The first one is using the App Store. You will get an App Store on your macOS. If you can't see this kind of option on your macOS, then normally you have to click on the Launchpad, and here you will see an option named App Store. Search on the search bar App Store and open it. From here, you can install some apps, though most of the apps are not available in this Mac Store. You have to download them manually from the websites or somewhere else. So from here, you can download any apps available here. For example, I want to install this Grammarly app. I'm gonna select it and clicking on this download button, and it will take some time to download and install it. The process is very simple and easy. Here you can see that it is being downloaded, and here it has been installed on my macOS. From now on, if I click on this open button, this app is going to be opened on my macOS. On the other hand, if you want to follow the second step, you have to open the browser of your macOS if the app is not available on the Mac. If the app is not available on the App Store. And to do that, normally click on the Launchpad, search here Safari. This is the official built-in browser on your macOS. Now open the website in where you want to download the app. For example, I want to download the Telegram app. I'm gonna search it and I'm choosing this Telegram desktop. And here, get Telegram for macOS. I'm gonna click on it and then clicking on this allow button. Then a file is going to be downloaded on my macOS. And after downloading the file, I'll be able to install the software on my macOS. Just wait a few minutes until it is completely downloaded. After downloading the file, you will see an interface like this. Normally click on it to open it, double click on it to open it, and expand it. And now, normally you have to select this Telegram icon to this applications folder, and then a Telegram app is going to be installed on your macOS. Here is the app. So you have to open it by double clicking on it. For the first time, probably you may need to click on this open button. And then, boom. Here you can see that we have successfully installed Telegram on our macOS. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to install an app on your macOS as a beginner. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.